One thing that I want you to notice, because I'm aware, I saw that it's happening already in the United States. When you go to the supermarket, I said to my wife, look, we should be careful about this because I'm pretty sure it will be imported to Europe, but they will not warn us. They will just do it slowly as usual. They will do it slowly so we can't perceive it, and then we get normalized, we get used to it and we normalize it. It's this. There are places in the United States. I wish that any of you can confirm me later if in your country it's happening already, because in mine, no, but mine it's always late. It's something that you go to the supermarket and usually, at least here and for a long time, when you see apples, you want to buy vegetables and you see here it's kilogram, 1 kilogram, 2 euros, for instance. I don't know, I have no idea. In United States will be 1 pound or 5 euros per pound. No, it's the designation. You see the labels are all per pound. No, when you buy vegetables or fruits, potatoes, X per pound. But now slowly they are changing the things in a way that you will see they rise the price. Look how they are so, man, this is so annoying that people can't see. The prices rose a lot. You know that very well. Everyone knows. The prices rose a lot. They could push it up by their mess. But now, to camouflage, to rise more, what they are doing, for instance, in this kind of products, is that you will see, instead of 5 euros per pound, you will see 75 cents each. The thing is, for instance, you have 5 euros per pound. And if you know 5 euros per pound, it will give, for instance, 10 apples. I don't know. 10 apples, a bucket of 10 apples. You take 10 apples and you put in a meter and you see, okay, 5 euros. It has 1 pound or 1 kilogram. And imagine that the 10 apples on average will cost that. But then that will be 50 cents each. So what they are doing is, instead of dividing that and put, okay, we will put, this is on average 50 cents each, we will put a price of 50 cents each. No, they rise the price to, for instance, 70 cents each. So at the end, they win in two sides. You will purchase the same quantity, but being 10 apples, 70 cents, you will not pay 5 euros anymore, but you will pay 7 for 1 pound or 1 kilogram. So they win in that realm, and then they win because you enter, it's psychological. You enter in the supermarket, you look at the price, and now you enter, you look, oh, it's everything, it's so expensive. Oh God, here we go again. That's the feeling right now, right? So to soften that, you will enter the supermarket and you will see 70 cents, 79, 50 cents, 49 cents. You will start seeing cents each. So it creates you the illusion to your brain that everything is cheaper, while it's the opposite. And even that you realize that when you pay the bill, because I pay even more, but the feeling entering in the store will be to like anesthesia. So you will be pushed to buy. Pay attention to that.